We're up there getting our pictures with the dogs. So let's go to Signal Hill, National Historic Site. Get your camera on.
Yes.
And these, by the way, foxes, they're like dogs up here. They will approach you. This is called Dead Man's Pond.
Oh.
One reason being
This
is because
is
there's so many
called-
people that have died in there. But the bottom is, it almost goes right to it goes out to the ocean basically.
Oh, wow. It's a Signal Hill,
You
right?
can't drive up to the top anymore? Oh, yes you can.
Signal Hill.
Again, we used to play guns around here, playing as a kid.
Oh. So you have to pay? What are you going to pay? To park or what?
No, here you don't, right?
Oh, really? So at least you don't need to pay for park or whatever entrance
Not
fee.
here.
So at least, yeah. Because if it's in Alberta, you're going to pay. Also, they just
See,
walk.
Dead Man's. And this is where we used to play hockey.
Dead man.
But the bottom goes right out to the ocean.
Oh my.
Right, so...
That's cold.
Oh yeah. It's basically like a little... Again, it goes right out.
Yeah.
There you go, there's Signal Hill.
Signal Hill. Yeah. Wow, this is it, Carter.
Here's the city.
Before we only watched this in the TV. Signal Hill, where Titanic. What was again the significance of Signal Hill?
Signal Hill is the first telegraph ever. First phone call.
First receive.
Yes.
Yeah, a message from back then. War. Signal Hill.
At least it's not windy today, actually.
Wow, this is nice to go out and take pictures and
Yes.
everything. What a beautiful Signal Hill.
You might see whales.
Oh my God, look at that. Is that ocean?
Yes, dear.
Atlantic Ocean?
Yep.
Oh wow, it's cold for sure.
It does get a little shaky.
Gusto ko mag-live. I wanna do live.
Look at that, baby. See how blue that ocean is? That's
Yeah.
cold.
Oh yeah, for sure. I can tell, yes, it is.
How you doing?
Bad you?
Doing great. Thank you.
Beautiful day.
It is
Beautiful.
gorgeous.
That's a Signal Hill,
Spots to
guys.
sit down, eat down there. Everything.
Oh yeah, you can still go. Oh my God, that's a long walk going
That's why
on.
here.
Do not feed wildlife, it says here. Human food kills wildlife.
Yeah.
Ooh, wait,
There you go. Want to see Newfoundland dog?
Is that
No, there you go. I know you want to go.
Is that the
Do you mind if we come see him?
Not at all.
No, I'm scared. No, B, no.
My God.
Hi.
What's his name?
Here, Rye, take your water.
Sable. I knew you.
Oh, it's like a black bear.
Well, now, these are the most gentlest animals you ever run with.
Oh my God. Oh no.
Do you want me to get a picture?
Look at that. Yes, A Newfoundland dog. Okay, let's go, guys. Now we're going to Signal Hill. A significant of Signal Hill. It's beautiful. Thank God it's a nice day out.
Still chilly, but
It's still chilly. Yeah. That's why I wanna put Carter's scarf.
it's not too bad.
My God. How old is that dog, you think?
Oh, he's probably 2 years.
You should take us picture, me and Carter, Hippie. In the Signal Hill, ano.
Just look, see the people walking
Oh
down
my
there?
God, yeah. Cabot Tower. Historic. Yeah. I think I should ask them to get us a picture. Hello, ate. Ah, you go all the way there. All the way. It's a signal hill.
Okay. Now, if it was a nice stormy day.
Ah.
Look for him.
Ah.
Then if you did get it, that's what you're going.
This is a historical bomber thing they used back in the World War II.
Guess what?
No way!